Pop quiz. How do we delete this comment and the field after it? Now, if we were up here, pre-red look, drowse, it would be easy. We could just do something simple like chuck block, drowse. But not quite so simple when we're here, pre-look, drowse. Because you see, if we just did chuck block, drowse, well, we lose that right angle bracket, which is obviously not at all what you want. Nope. Drowse. Here's the answer. Chuck short block. Drowse. Obviously, you use the brand new scope type, short block, which is like block, but it stops before it hits a line with a curly brace or any other kind of brace on it. This scope is brand new. Paint hasn't dried, so make sure to update your Cursorless Talon spoken forms if you haven't done so in the past 3 days since this video was released. And check it out. Like I said, super duper new, so it's possible that it's got some rough edges. File bugs if you find them, but I've used it a couple times so far, and it's something I've wanted for ages. And due to the new next-gen scope engine that we have, it's pretty easy to implement, and I'm loving it so far. So report in the comments if you're using it, if you're liking it, if you find bugs. And otherwise, thanks for watching, and happy coding. Record stop.